Here's just a quick video of some pictures from my latest trip. The first part was when I was with friends in Santa Fe. We went on a little hike here, walked around town. These pictures are of the Immaculate Staircase in one of the churches. The nuns didn't have access to the balcony, so they prayed to have a staircase built, and this one was built by a guy who just showed up. There's no nails, no glue, just built by bending the wood, and no architects today know how it was constructed. And a puppy. These are pictures from Bandelier National Monument. This is the cave dwelling site where the Pueblo people lived. You can see remnants of the caves in the rocks, the cliffside, I guess, and the little holes is where they had put wood into the cliff to create roofs for some of the lower structures. There wasn't anybody in the park, so we were able to climb up the ladders and have the place to ourselves. This is where there were like 4 ladders going up to a big cave up above. They were very steep and dangerous. Also snowy. You can see like here's one of them, here's another, and then there's a farther one up there. This is one of the upper caves. Afterwards, we hiked down into this canyon. Behind me is the Rio Grande River. There were 2 waterfalls on the way. This is the first one, the Upper Falls, which was 80 feet. This is the Lower Falls. We were sitting right next to the top of it, which is about 40 feet. On our way home, we hit some snow. This was just on the side of the road. These are some natural hot springs, and this is a sulfur dam. This is from the Petroglyph National Monument. On this rock side, I guess, of the mountain here, you see all the different rocks with the petroglyphs on it. I went for about a 1-mile walk in which there were over 300 different petroglyphs. And when the sun hits them at different angles, sometimes you can see different petroglyphs at different times of the day, depending on the sun. That's pretty much the whole walk that I did. You can see the side with all the rocks. That was my hiking buddy. This is on top of Sandia Peak. We're a little over 10,000 feet here. It was very windy and snowing, so we just did a few hikes in the woods. This is a Spanish church from the 1600s. You can see the remnants of the ruins. Alright, I guess that's all.